Hey guys, so I'm really excited because I just got this huge package in the mail today, and it is from BB Craft, and it is actually slime supplies. Alright, so within that big bag, there are 3 other things. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this one first. Alright, so this first item is a set of jewelry beads in 10 different colors, and they're so pretty, and I'm planning to use them for slime perhaps. And it is so pretty. They're like crystally looking. So yeah, as you can tell, these are so beautiful. They are so shiny, and I really like the size of them. I think it's like perfect for putting in slime, or if you want, of course, you can use them as jewelry beads. You can see how pretty they are. They're like crystals. It's kind of hard to grab from the container just because it is so full. But yeah, they are very pretty. Alright, time for the next package. This one's a bit larger. Okay, so again, I can't fit this whole thing into the frame, but it is a huge bag of foam. So let's see, we have orange, yellow, red, green, pink, purple, another kind of pink. It's kind of a pinky purple color. We have blue, and then there's this like rainbow one. There's bigger foam pieces, and then there's another rainbow set. I believe these are about the same. And then this one is white foam beads. So yeah, this is a huge package of foam beads, which I'm so excited to use. And I like how they have like an assorted bag, but they also have separate ones, because you know, sometimes you want only like yellow foam or only green or purple, whatever, but sometimes you do like that mixed, so you can also mix these yourself. Yeah, this is awesome. I like how it's so nice and separated, and they give you so many colors in this package. So I would totally check this out because they're really a good assortment, and it looks like it's very good quality as well. And there is one more package to open up, and this one I'm actually really excited for. And first of all, it's packaged really nicely. They didn't just throw the containers in that big bag. It's in a box, and within the box, there's all this. There's all this tape and bubble wrap on it so that the jars don't crack, which is super useful because that's no fun to have cracked jars. Okay, yeah, these are really nice. They're really nice and clear. And again, great packaging. Let's just kind of look at one of them. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these are 4-ounce containers. So very excited for these containers. They're great quality. Comes with 16 of them, which is quite a lot. I'm really impressed with how clear they are, and also the lid. I like how the lid is also kind of clear, so if you look from the top also you know what slime you're looking at. But also it's great quality. It seems to close really nicely. It's like nice and airtight so that your slime doesn't dry out or it doesn't spill or anything like that. So yeah, these are really nice and sturdy, and it comes in a pack of 16, and I'll link everything in the description. So yeah, overall I am so impressed with all these items. It's so much fun. So yeah, definitely check them out. They are bbcraft.com. I'll link everything in the description, so you can find, you know, exactly these foam beads as well as these jewelry beads as well as those containers. So yeah, I really like everything. The quality of everything is amazing so far, and once I really start to use them, I'll be continuing to review them and see how they are in slime. So yeah, check them out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.